30 days, that's all it takes to change how you look, how you think, and how you live. Most people waste years waiting for motivation. They scroll, compare, and dream about becoming better. But they never start. You're different, because the moment you say, "I've had enough," your transformation begins. For the next 30 days, you train like a beast. No one's watching, no one's cheering. It's just you, your body, your pain, your discipline. Wake up early, drink water, do 100 push-ups, 100 squats, 100 sit-ups, and 5 minutes of shadow boxing. Every single day, no excuses, no breaks. Because each rep, each drop of sweat, is building the new version of you. Your body will scream, your mind will say, "Quit," but you won't. Because you're not chasing comfort anymore. You're chasing greatness. When you train like a beast, you realize the truth. Discipline is freedom. Pain is power. And silence is where real growth begins. In 30 days, you won't just look different. You'll feel different. Your confidence will rise. Your mind will sharpen. You'll start walking like a man who respects himself. You'll look in the mirror and see the version of you that once existed only in your dreams. So, stop waiting for the perfect time. Start now. Train like a beast. Eat clean, sleep early, focus. And in 30 days, you'll become unrecognizable to others and to yourself. Because legends aren't born, they're built, one rep, one day, one choice at a time.